Everybody, Jonathan Noble, divorce and family law attorney. Another quick video I want to make about things that I've seen through the lens of a divorce lawyer. This goes out to anyone who's dating or getting engaged. I've seen on several occasions where people are planning on getting married, and before they do get married, usually it's the guy who ends up either signing a lease for his soon-to-be bride for an automobile, or he wants to buy a house, and she puts pressure on him to put her name on the deed before they got married. In a couple of the scenarios I've seen, they have a wedding date picked out, and he's about to close on a house, and she wants her name on the deed. So he'll contact me for a consult. Ordinarily, I would advise against doing that until you're married for a number of reasons. But I've also seen situations where people don't really know each other that long, maybe 9 months to a year, and they're in love, and he's about to buy a new home for them to move into, and she puts pressure on him to put her name on the deed. I've seen one case where she put pressure on him to put her name on the deed. They were engaged, and then they broke up. And boy, was he happy that he didn't have to find a way to get her name off of the deed of the house that he bought, because they never got married. So here's the point of the video. Don't rush to mesh yourself financially with someone until you're sure, because it could be a nightmare getting that whole thing untangled. You could have a hard time selling the house that you bought or refinancing it with your ex-girlfriend on the deed. Can you imagine that? So, especially if you broke up with her. She's never going to cooperate. You don't want to go there. All right, so what's the safest thing to do? Keep everything separate. If you're getting married, you should get a prenup anyway. But speak to local legal counsel in your jurisdiction. But if you're not married yet and the person's pressuring you to put their name on the deed, especially if they didn't put any contribution toward the down payment and they're not obligated to pay the mortgage or anything, bad move. Never seen it end well. Actually, I've seen train wrecks happen because of that. Don't let that be you. Be careful out there.